Dry eyes. It's a common problem, but it shouldn't be ignored. Our eyes need tears. Tears keep our eyes healthy. They also help us see clearly. When our eyes are dry, it can impact our vision. It can also be uncomfortable. Understanding why your eyes are dry is important. Once you know the cause, you can find a solution. There are many effective treatments. Start by learning more about this condition. Don't let dry eyes interfere with your life. Take charge of your eye health today. Learn about the causes and find the relief you need. Your eyes will thank you for it. Dry eyes happen when your eyes don't make enough tears, or your tears might not be good quality. This can happen for many reasons. The environment can play a role. Dry air is a common culprit. This is especially true in winter or in air-conditioned rooms. Wind and smoke can also irritate your eyes. Spending a lot of time staring at screens can also lead to dry eyes. When we focus on screens, we blink less. Blinking is essential for spreading tears across our eyes. As we age, we naturally produce fewer tears. This is a normal part of aging. Hormonal changes can also cause dry eyes. This is common in women going through menopause. Certain medical conditions can also cause dry eyes. These include Sjogren's syndrome and rheumatoid arthritis. Did you know that your lifestyle can impact your eye health? What you eat and drink matters. A healthy diet is important for overall health. It's also good for your eyes. Make sure you're drinking enough water. Dehydration can worsen dry eyes. Some foods are known to help with eye health. These include foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Examples are salmon, flaxseed, and walnuts. Certain medications can cause dry eyes. Antihistamines and antidepressants are common culprits. If you think your medication is causing dry eyes, talk to your doctor. They may be able to adjust your dosage or switch you to a different medication. If you have persistent dry eyes, see a healthcare professional. They can help determine the cause of your dry eyes. They can also recommend the best treatment options for you. Don't ignore the problem. Dry eyes can lead to complications if left untreated. Treatments are available and can provide significant relief. Take care of your eyes, they are precious.